Look at you. New York City is a hot spot for food from all around the world. And early this month, Graham Avenue in East Williamsburg welcomed a new bakery. Lulla's is billed as the first Venezuelan bakery in the city and is the little sister of the Venezuelan hotspot, Casa Hora.
And joining us to tell us all about it is founder Chef Ivo Diaz. Welcome to New York Living.
Thank you.
Oh, very casual over there, having your little cafecito. Yes. I love it. Well,
absolutely.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the invitation.
What inspired you to open Lulla's?
Oh, a failed bakery.
Oh,
back
no.
14 years ago.
Oh, no.
No way.
Yes. Yeah, the bakery failed in 2010, and social media wasn't as much.
Right.
And we were in a location that was far away from everyone in Queens, so it was very hard to survive it.
Right.
But
survive you did, and you
Yes.
probably thought about it every day.
Yes, every single day.
Yeah. Okay.
I love it. Well, this is a family business, is that right?
Yes, it is.
Tell us a little bit about your daughter and the connection.
Lulla is our four-year-old. Ora is our 6-year-old. So.
Oh, nice. I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
so Lulla is for hallelujah. We
Okay,
are
got
a
it.
very Christian family, and Ora is for praying.
Yep.
So inspiration behind is just kind of also, even in the decoration of the space, it has to do with their personalities. Wow. And what colors do they like?
Okay.
So that's a lot of the things that we're doing. It's always based on whether they like it or not.
And Lulla is how old?
She's 4.
She is 4. And
Yes.
what does she think of the space?
Oh, she loves it. She goes inside the kitchen and she's like, "Papi, can I make some toppings? Can I make something?" So we always let her give her some extra dough,
Right.
and we let her cook, put her in the proofer, put them in the oven, and she just
So
enjoys
cute.
it so much.
They'll be carrying
so
on the
cute.
family business
That's
one
right.
day.
That's right.
That's the goal.
For folks who may not be familiar with Venezuelan baked goods, what are they exactly? What makes them essentially Venezuelan?
So, back in the days when European countries were coming to Venezuela, such as France, Italy, but a lot of Portuguese. So a lot of our bakery, a lot of our breads are based on Portuguese breads.
Oh, interesting.
So I remember being a little kid, and my mom would tell me, "Go to the Portuguese guy and get me this amount of bread." So the Portuguese brought kind of like their culture into ours.
Yep.
And so there was a mix of like French, Italian, and Portuguese with our ingredients, of course, but their techniques and everything was theirs. So it's incredible.
Excellent.
What did you bring with you today?
So I brought our canilla, which is our version of a baguette.
Oh,
It's
this
not
is the one all the way on the...
This is all the way over here.
Canilla.
Yeah,
Everything
can-
smells amazing
I know,
too.
so good.
Doesn't
Thank
just
you.
look pretty.
Yeah, so the canilla is a version of a baguette. It's not, so hydrated as baguette will be, which is kind of a little sticky and hard to work with. And no, this is a little more, not as hydration. And this one, which we call a mini baguette, but we call it in Venezuela, we call it francés.
Francés, French.
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah. Hey, give me some pan francés. That's what we will get.
It looks delicious.
We have pan piñita, although it doesn't have any pineapple in it. It does not. It's
That's just the name.
Yeah, it's just a name because of traditionally they are cut with scissors on top on both angles, so it tends to have a little curve going up, like
Yeah.
4 little horns,
Yep.
and it looks like a pineapple.
I love it.
Yes.
Can
So
you
that's-
walk us through a delicacy that you make?
Yeah. So the cachitos.
Cachitos.
Yes.
Cachitos.
It's I make it. I always say my secret is I make it with the pan de jamón.
Pan de jamón, which is
Pan de jamón
ham,
bread
yes.
for Christmas,
Yummy,
which is
yummy.
our Christmas
Yep.
traditional bread. And I do it fully with milk
Okay.
instead of using any water or ice.
Okay.
So
So this is basically, for those of you who are not familiar, it's a sandwich of sorts.
yes,
Or a
it
stuffed
is.
sandwich.
Stuffed sandwich.
Alexa, get in here.
Yes.
Let's see. Let's
Tell me.
All right.
Show Alexa
So
what
you
to
want to
do
move
here.
over this way over here so we can have a little more space.
Let's see it.
And then, so what we do is, I want to give you this roller,
Okay.
right?
Here. There we go.
Here you go. And then what you're going to do with this is you're going to form a little bit of like to the side.
Okay.
Oh.
And then you're going to go again.
Alexa has no idea she's making her lunch. She's making her own lunch right now.
Right? And
There
then
we go.
there you go. You try to
Just
make
moving
sure you
everything.
kind of always get this kind of like triangle,
Okay.
I like it.
because that's going to serve
There
you
we
as a
go.
pocket when we put the
Oh.
ham or the cheese.
Okay.
You can, sometimes just kind of like move it up a little bit,
Okay.
because then you're gonna take this baby here, and then you're gonna start rolling back,
Oh.
back.
You're doing a good job there, Lex. Thanks.
There you
I
go.
like it.
Not too
There you
bad.
go. That's
I've
awesome.
made like pies before.
Okay. Let's get the stuffing in because
Yes.
we are running out of time, and I want
All
to
right,
see the
so
finished
I'm gonna make
product
mine
here.
with cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
You
gonna
can
go
make
ham.
yours. Yeah, go ahead. And for the ham and cheese one, we do have a secret ingredient also.
Oh.
We do Parmigiano Reggiano,
Oh.
which is this
yummy.
one right here.
Look at you. Very
Sorry.
nice.
No.